If you're an ambitious entrepreneur looking for real, actionable business advice, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 8 construction business ideas that can help you hit $10,000 monthly, and how to get started quickly. In the next 8 minutes, you'll learn 8 high-demand construction business ideas you can start today. The secret to scaling your construction business fast. Why most entrepreneurs fail in this industry and how you can avoid it. But first, let me show you why the traditional hire, accrue, and hope for the best approach is actually costing you money. Number 1, residential handyman services. Meet Mike. He started his handyman service with just a truck and basic tools. By focusing on high-demand repairs like plumbing, electrical, and HVAC, he hit $10,000 a month in just 3 months. What's even more impressive? He didn't need to hire a team or get a fancy office space. Mike worked solo for the first year, built a loyal customer base, and then started hiring on demand as his business grew. Start small, but focus on high-ticket services. Offer emergency repairs for homes and apartments. Focus on services that people need regularly, like leaky faucets, HVAC tune-ups, and plumbing problems. These are services that, in many cases, homeowners can't fix themselves, which makes them willing to pay a premium. But here's where most people mess this up. They overestimate what they can do on their own. You don't need a huge team to start. You need the right clients. To find these clients, use platforms like Thumbtack or Angie's List to get your first few jobs. Number 2, home renovation and flipping. The home renovation market is booming. In 2025, the average ROI for home renovation was over 70%. Think about it. You renovate a kitchen for $5,000, and after selling, you can make back $15,000. But if you're not ready to flip entire houses, focus on smaller jobs first. Step-by-step implementation. Start by securing small renovation jobs that you can finish quickly. Think about remodeling kitchens and bathrooms. Then, as you build experience, take on more complex projects. Here's the secret. Secure properties that need light remodeling. Maybe a property that has some outdated features or needs some freshening up. Offer low-cost bids that attract clients who just want to modernize their spaces rather than a full remodel. Now, this next part is crucial because the market is competitive, but those who focus on niche services like luxury bathrooms or kitchens are pulling in the big money. Specialize in high-demand, high-margin areas like custom cabinetry, luxury flooring, and designer tile. You can charge a premium for that work and stand out from competitors. Number 3, property maintenance contracts. The common mistake. Many construction entrepreneurs ignore recurring revenue opportunities. But property management companies need regular maintenance. They're willing to pay top dollar for consistent service. A common mistake is treating these as one-off jobs, when really they're lucrative ongoing contracts. Secure long-term contracts with property management companies by offering bundled services, plumbing, electrical, pest control, at competitive rates. The key here is consistency. Property managers need reliable service providers who show up on time and do the job well. Use contract management software to streamline invoicing and scheduling. Software like QuickBooks or ServiceTitan can help keep everything organized, and more importantly, you can charge a premium for these long-term commitments. And if you want to go big, here's how you scale that recurring revenue. Focus on building relationships with property owners in areas with large multifamily units, apartment complexes, rental properties, etc. With larger contracts, you can get consistent income month after month. Number 4, landscaping and outdoor construction. Example: Bob started a landscaping business with $2,000 and was earning over $8,000 a month in just 6 months. Outdoor services like patios, walkways, and garden design are always in demand. Residential homeowners want their lawns and yards to look great, and businesses want their properties to be well maintained. Start by offering basic landscaping services like mowing, trimming, and edging. Then, upsell to custom patios, fire pits, outdoor kitchens, and even high-end landscaping features like waterfalls and custom lighting. Begin with small jobs like lawn care, and then slowly build to larger landscaping and hardscaping projects. But wait, there's more to this. Landscaping isn't just about planting grass and trimming trees. The big money is in luxury outdoor living spaces. People are willing to pay a lot of money for custom-built outdoor kitchens and fire pits. It's a niche that pays well and is in high demand. Number 5, demolition services. Small demolition jobs, removing old sheds, small buildings, etc., can be lucrative. It's all about volume. In some areas, these services can command up to $2,500 for a small job. With proper marketing and customer outreach, demolition services can become a reliable source of income. Step by step, start by offering residential demolition services for sheds, pools, and small structures. Focus on providing quick and reliable service that doesn't disrupt the surrounding area. The key to getting more jobs is having a strong presence online. Use social media platforms and advertise locally. The last one is a game changer, so stay tuned. If you want to really stand out in the demolition business, think about ways to repurpose the materials. For example, you can sell wood, metal, or even concrete from demolished buildings. Number 6, concrete work and foundation repair. Mistake to avoid. Many shy away from concrete work because it seems too complicated. But it's one of the most profitable services in construction, especially in areas where homes are built on unstable soil. People need concrete services for everything from foundation repair to driveway installation. Learn the basics of foundation repair and offer services like crack filling, leveling, and foundation stabilization. You can charge upwards of $10,000 per job. If you're starting small, begin by offering concrete driveway installations and move into foundation repair as your reputation grows. Now, if you've been paying attention, you know that scalability is key. Concrete work is one of the most lucrative areas of construction because it's highly specialized and in demand. Master it, and you can quickly scale by bringing in subcontractors or even expanding into commercial work. Number 7, construction project management. The common mistake. Entrepreneurs jump straight into the hands-on work without realizing that managing multiple projects is where the real money is. Managing multiple construction projects requires oversight, and the best project managers are in high demand. The exact framework. Offer project management services to small builders or independent contractors who lack the organizational skills to juggle multiple jobs at once. Use software like Buildertrend or Procore to manage timelines, budgets, and teams. As a project manager, you could take a 10-20% commission on the total project cost. Start by offering services to smaller contractors and scale by working with larger commercial projects as you gain experience. And if you really want to accelerate your growth, keep watching because next, I'm sharing a bonus idea that ties all this together. Number 8, electrical and solar panel installation. Real example. Steve, an electrician, started his own solar panel installation company with minimal upfront investment. Within a year, he was making $15,000 a month, helping homeowners reduce energy costs and providing a service in high demand. To start, get your electrical contractor's license and begin small with residential clients. Offer solar panel installations as part of energy-saving packages. Market your service by showing potential savings and the environmental benefits of solar power. But here's where most people fail. Many electricians focus too heavily on repairs instead of expansion. Solar is an area where demand is growing rapidly, and there's still a lot of opportunity to get in early. So here's the recap. Start with high-demand services like handyman or property maintenance, which can be done with minimal overhead. Focus on niche, high-margin services like home renovations, landscaping, and foundation repairs. These are areas where clients are willing to pay top dollar. Leverage software and technology to scale and manage multiple projects. Project management software can streamline everything from budgets to timelines. Now, let me know in the comments, what's the biggest obstacle holding you back from starting a construction business? Drop your question below and let's get a conversation going. Next week, I'm breaking down the topic: how to start a concrete business with $5,000 that you can start in 2025. You don't want to miss it.